Investing in Bitcoin BTC can seem complicated, but it is much easier when you break it down into steps. Investing or trading Bitcoins only requires an account at a service or an exchange, although further safe storage practices are recommended. There are several things that aspiring Bitcoin investor need: a cryptocurrency exchange account, personal identification documents if you are using a KYC platform, a secure connection to the internet, and a method of payment. It is also recommended that you have your own personal wallet outside of the exchange account. Valid methods of payment using this path include bank accounts, debit cards, and credit cards. It is also possible to get Bitcoin at specialized ATMs and via P2P exchanges. Privacy and security important issues for Bitcoin investors. Only who gains a private key to a public address on the Bitcoin blockchain can authorize transactions. Private keys should be kept secret. Criminals may attempt to steal them if they learn of large holdings. Be aware that anyone can see the balance of the public address you use. If you are new to InfoPlays, do subscribe our channel and do not forget to press the bell button so you won't miss any update. The flip side of this public information is that an individual can create multiple public addresses for themselves. They can distribute their stashed Bitcoin over many addresses. A good strategy is to keep significant investment at public addresses that are not directly connected to ones that are used in transactions. Anyone can view a history of transactions made on the blockchain, even you. Although transactions are publicly recorded on the blockchain, identifying users' information is not. On the Bitcoin blockchain, only a user's public key appears next to a transaction. In that sense, Bitcoin transactions are more transparent and traceable than cash because all of them are available for public view, unlike private cash transactions. But Bitcoin transactions also have an element of anonymity built into their design. It is very difficult to trace the transacting parties, the sender, and the recipient of the Bitcoin on cryptocurrency blockchain. International researchers and the FBI have claimed that they can trace transactions made on the Bitcoin blockchain to users' other online accounts, including their digital wallets. For example, if someone creates an account on Coinbase, they must provide their identification. When that person purchases Bitcoin, it is tied to their name. If they send it to another wallet, it can still be traced back to the Coinbase purchase that is connected to the account holder's identity. This should not concern most investors because Bitcoin is legal in US and most other developed countries. We have broken down the steps to buying Bitcoin below. Remember that you still need to do your research and select the best option for yourself based on your circumstances. Step 1. Choose a crypto trading service or venue. The first step is buying Bitcoin consists of choosing a crypto trading service or venue. Popular trading services and venues for purchasing crypto coins, including cryptocurrency exchanges, payment services, and brokerages. Out of these, cryptocurrency exchanges are most convenient option because they offer a breadth of features and more cryptocurrencies for trading. Signing up for a cryptocurrency exchange will enable you to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrency. It is generally best practice to use an exchange that allows its users to withdraw crypto on their own personal online wallet for safekeeping. For those looking to trade Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, this feature may not matter. Connect your exchange to a payment option. After you have chosen an exchange, you will need to gather your personal documents. Depending on the exchange, these may include pictures of driver's license or social security card, as well as information about your employer and source of funds. The information you may need can depend on the region you live in and the laws within it. The process is largely the same as setting up a typical brokerage account. After the exchange has verified your identity, you will be asked to connect a payment option. At most exchanges, you can connect your bank account directly, or you can connect a debit or credit card. Although you can use a credit card to purchase cryptocurrency, it is not a good idea because cryptocurrency price volatility could inflate the overall cost of purchasing a coin. Bitcoin is legal in United States, but some banks may question or even stop deposits to crypto-related sites or exchanges. It is a good idea to check to make sure that your bank allows deposit at your chosen exchange. Place an order. You can buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies after choosing an exchange and connecting a payment option. In recent years, cryptocurrency exchanges have slowly become more mainstream. They have grown significantly in terms of liquidity and their breadth of features. The operational changes at cryptocurrency exchanges parallel the changes in the perception of cryptocurrencies, an industry that was once thought of as a scam or one with questionable practices is slowly morphing into a legitimate one that has drawn interest from all the big players in the financial services industry. Now, cryptocurrency exchanges have gotten to a point where they have nearly the same level of features as their stock brokerage counterparts. Crypto exchanges today offer a number of orders type and ways to invest. Almost all crypto exchanges offer both market and limit orders, and some also offer stop loss orders. Aside from a variety of order types, exchanges also offers ways to step up recurring investment, allowing clients to dollar cost average into their investments of choice. Coinbase, for example, lets users set recurring purchases for every day, week, or month. Safe storage. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies wallets are placed to store digital assets more securely. Having your crypto outside of the exchange and in your personal wallet ensures that only you have control over the private key to your funds. It also gives you ability to store funds away from an exchange and avoid the risk of your exchange getting hacked and losing your funds. Although most exchanges offers wallets for their users, security is not their primary business. We generally do not recommend using an exchange wallet for large or long-term cryptocurrency holdings. Some wallets have more features than others. Some are Bitcoins only, and some offers the ability to store numerous types of altcoins. Some wallets also offer the ability to swap one token for another. When it comes to choosing a Bitcoin wallet, you have a number of options. The first thing you will need to understand about crypto wallets is the concept of hot wallets and cold wallets. Online wallets are also known as hot wallets. Hot wallets are wallets that run on internet connected devices such as computers, phones, or tablets. This can create vulnerability because these wallets generate the private keys to your coins on these internet connected devices. Though a hot wallet can be very convenient in the way you are able to access and make transactions with your assets quickly, storing your private key on an internet connected devices make it more susceptible to a hack. Cold wallets. The simplest description of a cold wallet is that it's not connected to the internet and therefore stands at a far lesser risk of being compromised. These wallets can also be referred to as offline wallets or hardware wallets. These wallets store a user's private key on something that is not connected to the internet and can come with software that works in a parallel so that the users can view their portfolio without putting their private key at risk. The purpose of purchasing Bitcoin is slightly more complicated than the purpose to buy regular equity or stock. This is mainly because cryptocurrency ecosystem and infrastructure are not as well developed as those of mainstream trading. A Bitcoin purchase process consists of 4 steps: selecting a service or venue for the purchase, connecting with the payment method, placing an order, and ensuring safe storage for your purchased cryptocurrency. Each of these steps require research and a careful assessment of the pros and cons of each service. You can also buy Bitcoin ATMs or from payment services like PayPal and mainstream brokerage like Robinhood.